My name's Tom Hample, and I've been working for Closet Factory for 5 years. I'm the project manager. I run the shop, control what comes in and goes out of the building, try and keep track of all the installers, make sure our quality is up to par with what we should be doing, and making sure that the customers are all happy. We've hired all kinds of people. We've hired people that have no experience whatsoever to guys that are carpenters, trim carpenters, finish carpenters, cabinet makers. We even have a plumber working for us, but he's changing over to become one of us. So yeah, there isn't really any particular person that we hire. I mean, it's just anybody that's interested in doing what we do and has a passion for what we're turning in. And because of my experience, I can mentor them. I can kind of guide them into the right direction. And when they have issues, I can answer it right over the phone and quickly. If they're stuck in a particular install or anything like that, my experience, I can walk them through it. And at the end of the day, we have a finished product that the customer likes and gives us a high review.